Dear students, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we've learned how to get the total or how to calculate the total using the formula. So in this video, we'll learn how to calculate the percentage. I've made a worksheet ready for you all. So you all can see the worksheet and then try and make the similar type of worksheet. I've entered some random names and I've entered some random marks over here just for an example. So here we go. In order to get the percentage, I'll zoom it a little bit for you all. In order to get the percentage, we need to have the total first. So first we'll calculate the total. So for calculating the total, you all know we'll use formula. The formula is either user defined or predefined formula, which we call function. So here we will use function. So equal to sum, bracket open, range of cells. So the first data we have is in cell C3. So C3 colon is 2. That means J3. Bracket close, enter. We get the total over here. So you got the total here. Now drag and drop method to calculate the total for entire students. Or before doing that, what you can do is you can find the percentage for the first student, then later on drag and drop method can be used. So for finding out the percentage, we'll use the formula again. So please watch the formula carefully. I'm zooming it for you all. Equal to, very important, equal to sign. So your formula to find out the percentage will be total marks obtained divided by number of subjects. So first we'll see total marks obtained. So total marks obtained is in cell K3. So we'll type K3, division sign, slash, number of subjects. So let's see how many subjects do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll type 8. K3 divided by 8. K3 is the cell address where you have the total marks. Divided by 8. 8 is the number of subjects. So it might be different in your case when you're practicing, or it might be different whenever there is a different worksheet in front of you, or the number of subjects might be more or sometimes it might be less. So it depends on the number of subjects you have. You will enter accordingly. Now enter. You can see the percentage is generated. So now it's very simple. You click, drag and drop the formula. Now here you get 0 over here because we don't have total for other students. So for that we'll click in the first total, again drag and drop. So total will be generated for all the students. Accordingly you will get the percentage for all the students. So I'll zoom out and I'll show you. I think the entire data is visible now. Entire worksheet is visible. So we have 10 names, right? And then in this way we calculate the percentage. Now sometimes you might get this type of figure. Let me delete this one first. You might get this type of figure where you have more than 2 or more than 3 decimal places, numbers after the decimal point. So in this case you will right click that cell, click format cells option. Here go to number, might be general sometimes. So you click number. In the number tab you click number. There are many other tabs. Do not use other tabs. Use number tab. Click number. Decimal places. Now for percentage you can keep the decimal places up to 2, or you can, if you want, you can keep only 1. Click OK. Now for here in this case we have only 1 decimal places because we have specified only 1. Now again drag and drop method can be used. So here what I did is, first I calculated the total for the first student, that is Ayush Sarma, and then I calculated the percentage for him. I dragged the percentage, I copied the percentage down to the for the entire student. It was 0 because I didn't have the total for other students. Now later I dragged and dropped again, I copied and pasted the formula for total for others. The total got generated and automatically the percentage got generated. In your case, first you can find out the total and then later you can find out the percentage. Whichever way you find convenient, you can perform it in the way you want. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.